Hello, welcome to HD2 Brake Suspension and Power Steering Systems class. My name is Kim O'Chith, but you can call me David. I have 9 years of automotive service experience working in the field as a service technician, and now I have been teaching auto for 2 years at Pierce College. If your interest is cars, then this is the class for you, because we will cover everything about vehicle braking systems. Back in the days, if your car broke down, you had to take it to a mechanic, a grease monkey, who would simply change out parts that failed and your car is back on the road. It's not that easy anymore. Today, you have to take it to a technician who does more than just change out parts, but first he or she needs to use far more advanced technology to properly diagnose the issue before any parts gets replaced. In this class, you'll learn that working on cars is not just about turning wrenches anymore, but it also deals with troubleshooting using diagnostic scan tools, interpreting fault codes, and understanding computer modules. You will get to bring in your own cars and work on them during lab time in the shop, which has over 15 bays. And don't worry, if you don't have a car, we can provide you one. Just don't drive it home. Tools and equipment are also available by checking it out with your student ID, although you are required to bring in some basic tools like sockets, wrenches, and most importantly, safety glasses. Lockers are also provided so you don't have to keep bringing it back and forth. The textbook required for this class is Brakes and Suspension Systems, the 8th edition by James D. Halderman. You can check the syllabus on Canvas for more information. And finally, I wish you the best of luck, and if I hear knocking at the door, I hope it's you, ready for class, and not your piston rods.